Being recorded.
Okay, hi everyone. A very warm welcome to Body and Soul Spiritual Holistic Therapy Center, where you transform, evolve, and heal. Today I will be talking about numerology. This is also one of the modalities that is very dear to me. So in every episode, this is our the Healers Talk Day 3, and today I will be talking about the personality number one. And this personality number one is for the people who are born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, and 28th of any month. Now, the personality number one people are actually ruled by the planet Sun, and in Hindi it is called as Surya. All numbers begin from number one, just as the sun is the center point and all planets revolve around it. Similarly, number one people enjoy the same status in life. मतलब उनके उनके पास ऐसी क्षमता होती है कि वो लोग they can attract people and they can make the people revolve around them. So they are like it's a very magnetic number. It can attract a lot of people to their life, lot of wealth to their life. They can attract abundance, jobs. मतलब उनको किसी भी चीज की दिक्कत नहीं होती है जो कि they are ruled by number one. Now this the people who are born on the day number one, their day is Sunday, and their deity is Lord Surya. एंड उनकी जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है उनके बारे में मैं थोड़ा बताऊंगी, जो कि मैं पहले पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज बताऊंगी, फिर उनकी मैं नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज बताऊंगी. तो जो नंबर वन वाले लोग होते हैं वो थोड़े एम्बिशियस होते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं. मतलब वो अपनी मर्जी का करना चाहते हैं, अपनी मन मुताबिक जिंदगी को चलाना चाहते हैं. और दे आर वेरी एक्टिव एंड एनर्जेटिक पीपल ऑल्सो, एंड इंटेलिजेंट भी बहुत होते हैं. तो आप देखोगे कि नंबर वन पीपल जो है वो आपको साइंस की फील्ड में मिलेंगे, इंजीनियर्स मिलेंगे. लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे एक्सेल इन आईटी इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो, पीपल born on the number one. I mean the total which comes to number one. Now, these people are good advisors and counselors also. These people are good orators. They're very broad-minded people, and they have a very strong memory. That is why they excel in IT industry and things related to science, research, and all those things. अब मैं उनकी थोड़ी सी नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज के बारे में बताऊंगी. जैसे कि they are not very polite when they talk. Sometimes they come out as very rude, and sometimes you will feel कि ये लोग बहुत shrewd है. And कई बार आपको लगेगा कि ये लोग जो है stubborn भी हैं, and they're obstinate and they're dogmatic. मतलब rigidity of thought है उनके अंदर. और sometimes लगेगा कि आपको ये लोग बहुत ज्यादा dominating होते हैं, like they come out very strong on certain people. तो कई लोग इनसे intimidate भी हो जाते हैं. तो ये थोड़ी सी qualities I discussed about number one people. And इनका जो gemstone है वो ruby है. So अगर जिनका नंबर वन आता है डेट ऑफ बर्थ के हिसाब से, एंड तो उनको रूबी स्टोन पहनना चाहिए. दैट रियली हेल्प्स देम एंड दे कैन वर्शिप द लॉर्ड सूर्य. So how can you worship the Lord Surya? You can give अर्घ to the Lord Surya Bhagwan in the morning, and you can also do Surya Namaskar. तो ये दो सिंपल रेमेडी से आप लॉर्ड सूर्य के बेनिफिट को अपना सकते हैं. तो एंड यू कैन मेक योर लाइफ बेटर. सो आज हम नंबर वन के बारे में इतनी ही बात करेंगे. एंड नाउ आज हमारी जो गेस्ट है वो है नीतू अग्रवाल, एंड शी इज ऑल्सो हाउ वी गॉट इन टच. पहले मैं थोड़ा सा ये बताऊंगी कि मैंने ये मेरी गुरु भी हैं, और मैंने इनसे आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड सीखा है. और and that's how my Akashic journey started when I came in contact with Neetu Agarwal. We just got in touch through Facebook, and then उसके बाद जो है like she was placed in Dubai, and from Dubai she came all the way to Bangalore to teach me, and a group of 5-6 people, group of us to teach Akashic. And that's how our friendship began, and that's how my Akashic journey began. And now I'm going to give a chance to Neetu Agarwal to talk about her spiritual journey and how you all can benefit by coming in touch with her, coming in contact with her. And of course, I'm always available for tarot, for Akashic, for numerology. And my WhatsApp number is 9916553527. And you can always get in touch with me whenever you want a reading, whenever you want a healing session. I'm always available. So now let's welcome Neetu Agarwal.
Hi, Anju. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. And it's been a long journey with you. I've always felt blessed that, got connected with you. So as you know, I started, I never wanted to be a healer, or, I never knew what spirituality is. Today, I am a full-time healer. I'm a spiritual healer. I have done theta healing. I started with theta healing. I'm a certified theta healer and an instructor also. Then I started my journey with theta healing. Then I did Akashic, tarot. I do inner child. I do soulmate. I do automatic writing, dig deeper. So I do various different modalities. And it's been almost 4 years since I started this. I started my journey in 2014. Someone introduced me. I never knew what healings was. So I was just in my building. I was just passing by, and this friend of mine said, there's a healing happening. And would you like to go? And I'm always curious to learn. That is how I think I was meant to be there. So I landed up and I didn't know what was happening there. But yes, I felt really nice when the healing was given, and I came to know that's theta healing. That's how I started getting in touch with theta healing. I used to go there, attend the camps, and it changed my life. People would say someday that you will become a full-fledged healer, but at that time I was into the corporate world. I was into investments into Citibank. So I never thought that I wanted to be in this field. So in 2014 only I learned. I said, okay, the calling has come. Let me learn theta healing. So I finished my basic and advanced. And in 2015, I think my life changed. That's when I met Vaina ma'am, and I did an instructor course, and then there was no looking back. I started my healing, I started my readings, and they would come good. Then I left for US, and I always was searching. Akashic came to me in a very different way. Theta healing definitely changed my life. I think it gave me a 360 turn in my life. I couldn't imagine how, changing your beliefs could change your life so much. How many beliefs that we carry within ourselves, we don't even realize. So it was a rigorous work I did for 2 years. I did theta. I used to do healings through theta on myself, and I found so much difference. I saw people moving out of my life who were not required. The toxic people moved out. The better people came in. I fell in love with myself. I mean, my parents could see so much change in me. I saw the relationships improved. So yes, it has changed a lot. I was to go and ask my mentor, what happened? Did I change or something changed? He used to always tell me, you just fell in love with yourself and your belief system is changing. Especially the money beliefs that we carry, the relationship beliefs that we carry, everything started falling into place basically. So yes, theta changed. And that's when Akashic came, and I was in the US in 2017. I started my search that, I want to clear my karmic baggage. How can I reach there? I was doing it to theta also, but I felt that there was something missing. And that's when, I asked someone in India, I wanted to learn tarot also. So I used to go online and look, and I was like, I need to learn it professionally. In 2017, there's a friend of mine. She said, okay, I'm teaching Akashic. Would you like to learn? I was like, wow, it's an opportunity. That's when I landed. I traveled from US. I came to India. I learned Akashic. I learned tarot. And in 2018, I wanted to be an advertising company. I wanted to become on a very high position, but that didn't happen. In 2018, I landed up becoming a full-time spiritual healer and a reader. And there was no looking back. Akashic again, after theta, changed my life. It took a 360 turn again. I was like, wow, this is magic. When you open your records and you could just change everything around you. It is so beautiful. And then I started my inner child journey. And then I thought how important it is to heal your inner child. And then tarot, definitely. I felt that tarot was something you could just want an answer. It would just, you can just pick the deck and you can get it then and there. So yes, Akashic, I would say, has changed a lot. It was easier for me to connect more. And the channeling that I used to do from Akashic, the way healings used to happen, go look into the past lives and clear it so well, it works in every area. So on a universal level, and things started changing. I would do a healing now, and after half an hour, someone will give me a call. I want to register for a class. I have done, and even with my nephew, my family member, I would tell them that, this thing will happen for tomorrow, and they wouldn't believe in it. And then when we get up in the morning, they would get a solution out of it. I can give you one incident when I was supposed to travel to Mumbai, teach my class, and the rains were happening. And suddenly I did not get the place where I wanted to teach them. I started crying and I started telling my master. I connected in Akashik. I said, I don't know, you have to find a solution because my book tickets are booked. And they told me there are 7 students, 4 students you can teach this way, 3 students you can teach in this way. I told them I have never taught Akashik in one day, both the levels. They said you will get through. And it was so strange. I always come back from my work, from my things. I always come back. Usually I come back from my trip on the second day after finishing in the night. But that was the first time I booked my ticket 1 day extra. And I didn't know that was the day I used for other 3 students. And it worked so smoothly. I landed up in India, 4 students I taught just the way my masters I said, and 3 students on that day, and it worked out very well. So yes, Akashik has changed my life. And then automatic writing I learned later, which also I feel is an amazing way of connecting to your guardian angels, to people who have crossed over, you would like to connect. So I love to teach. I teach these modalities also, and I do readings and healings through them. I also teach soulmates. So I found there are people, who do the course, they can attract, they learn how to attract. Because sometimes we are looking and we know in our mind, this is what we require, and we manifest that it may not turn out to the way it is. So soulmate teaches you how you can reach out to the universe, what you need to do to get that right person in your life. So yes, this has been my spiritual journey. It's been almost 4 years now, and I think I love it. It's become my passion and it's full time, and I enjoy it. I have taught students all over the world. So I have students in US, UK, and mostly in Dubai and India. And I think the journey has been very, very beautiful. So if anybody wants a reading or healing, you can always get in touch with me. WhatsApp call if you want to do, I will be available on my Dubai number. So you need to put a code into it. So it's +971. Then the number is 5436999797. And in India, if you want to give me a call or anything, you can always give me a call on my number is 6363595350. So yeah, that's how things are. And yes, my life has definitely changed. I would say it really, really helps you. And thank you so much.
That was wonderful, Neetu. And I would like you to share your Insta page and your Facebook details also, so that people can, contact you on Facebook and Insta itself.
Okay. So my Facebook page is Enlightening Souls by Neetu. And my Insta is _Enlightening Souls 6.
Yeah, that is really wonderful. And so the main aim of organizing these talks is to make people aware that they reach to the right healer. And because we always choose our guru ourselves, so whoever is meant to learn from us will reach to us in the right manner. So this was the main reason of my organizing this healers talk, so that we reach to the right people, and the right people will reach to us. So on that note, let's close the session. And
thank you so much.
It was wonderful, Neetu, and and I've learned a lot. And even all thanks to Neetu, because even Akashik changed my life, and from there only my journey as instructor began, and I started facilitating the classes. So a big kudos to Neetu Agarwal. So, okay, let's close.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thanks. Bye.